Everybody is looking for the best way to buy their dream car. But are you making the right financial move? Let's find out. Imagine this. Instead of paying hefty EMIs with high interest, you invest smartly and drive your dream car without a loan. Here's how. Step 1, set a goal. Know the total cost: car, insurance, taxes, everything. Step 2, choose the right mutual fund. For short-term goals, debt or balance funds are ideal. Less risk, steady return. Step 3, start a SIP. Small monthly investments grow with compounding interest. Ask 20,000 a month can make a huge difference. Step 4, stay consistent. Markets go up and down, but your investments should stay steady. Step 5, withdraw smartly. Time it right to avoid penalties and make the most of your earnings. In the end, investing saves you $250,000 compared to a loan. Smart investing trumps loans every time. So start today and drive that dream car debt-free. Subscribe for more smart financial tips.